Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a review on a purse suitable for concerts and arenas. With that being said, let's get started. Of course, this video is not sponsored, so let's get to it. I found this purse online. I went searching for different places, and this is the one that came up the most, and it had a lot of good reviews. So I'm going to tell you specifically which one I got, and I'm also going to link it down below if you guys want to go ahead and get it. But before you go to your event, make sure that you look into the rules. Arenas have changed their policies of what you can bring into the arena. If you're going to a concert or to an event in an arena, you have to go into their policies and check the measurements for your purses or what you're allowed to bring in. So many concerts, many arenas do not allow you to bring your own big purses or even medium-sized purses. They now have a rule. You have to bring a specific size purse or a clear purse which also has specific sizes. I'm going to an event soon. I'm going to see RBD in concert, and I went into the arena and sure enough, there it was. A specific size purse or a clear specific purse. You only have those two options. If you take a bigger purse, they tell you to toss it or to take it back to your car. So now I'm going to show you what is approved for the arena that I'm going. Of course, make sure to go into the arena that you're going to attend the event or the concert and check their policies. Every arena varies. I'm going to read you specifically what it states on the arena that I'm going to attend. Quote, bag must be clear and must not exceed 12 times 6 times 12 inches or non-clear small clutch that does not exceed 4.5 times 6.5 times 2 inches. An exception will be made for any necessary medical items, but all such items are subject to inspection prior to entry into blank arena. So please make sure that before you attend your event or your concert, you check into the arena and see what the policies are. Don't throw away your purse. If you know somebody that parked close, I don't know, exchange numbers, tell them if they can get your purse and put your cell phone in your pants or whatever you're taking. But please make sure that you read into the policies before you go. I purchased my purse from Amazon, and it is a clear bag, stadium approved clear purse for women, clear crossbody bag, and it retails for $9.99, not including the taxes. It also states that it's stadium size, it's 8.7 inches times 6.5, and it also states that you can carry an iPad mini in there or a 14 Pro iPhone in there, so it's pretty big. It also states that it has a sturdy hook, strong zipper, and adjustable strap, and it is a clear crossbody bag. It also states on the Amazon description that it's stadium approved, waterproof, easy to clean, quality PVC, and thickness of 0.4 mm. Now, let me go ahead and show it to you guys. So, I just received it right now, and yes, I did get super excited about it that I decided to open the packaging to see how it looked. So, it comes in this packaging, as you guys can see there, and then it just states there, clear crossbody bag for W, port security check, black, and then made in China. It does have tape on one side, and in the other side where I opened it already, it does have tape there. So I opened that. So it comes with this adjustable strap. It's black, and it does have these kind of like plastic hooks at the end for your purse. This is the purse right here. It has a zipper here, and it has a zipper here at the top. So as you can see inside here, there are some bubbles of how plastic usually gets. Now you go ahead and get the strap. You're going to insert one in one side and then the other in the other side. It doesn't matter if the strap moves one way or the other. You can adjust it here at the sides. It rotates. This is the size of the bag. So this is more than my hand. You can definitely put like any documents in here or lipstick, some cosmetics, or even your wallet or your small purse. And then in here, of course, you can put your phone, you can put other stuff. This does expand a little bit, as you guys can see, not a lot, but just a little bit. So it's good enough for you to fit some stuff in here. A lot of stuff does fit in there. I mean, you can definitely fit a little iPad in there like it states on the Amazon website. Of course, your phone would definitely fit in here. Regardless of the size, if you have an iPhone or even a Galaxy, it fits in here perfectly. And also a small purse or small wallet, depending on what you want to put in here. Your keys and even some makeup if you wear makeup, or if you want to take some Kleenex in or whatnot, it definitely fits in here. I think this is a very good sturdy bag. It doesn't feel flimsy. It feels kind of like strong. The one thing I do have to say is that it does have this strong plastic odor. And also that there's a lot of bubbles, but that's normal for plastic things. I think this is a perfect size for a stadium / concert, arena, wherever you're going, that they only allow clear bags. Out of 5, I would rate this a 5. The strap is adjustable as well. You can adjust it to however long or short you want it. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.